Science 9, Q1, Coordinated Functions of Respiratory and Circulatory System. What's up mga katilas Aces? Magandang hapon po. So yan, andito na naman tayo sa panibagong episode ng Learning Science with Sir Japoy. So yan, so pag-aaralan natin ngayon yung mga coordinated functions ng respiratory at circulatory system. So kung paano sila nagtutulungan itong mga organs na ito para madala yung mga nutrients sa ating katawan. Madala yung mga nutrients, yung gases, and other molecules to the different parts of the body. So in humans and animals, so these nutrients, gases, and other molecules are being transported to the different parts of the body through our blood. The blood are being carried by the blood vessels. And there are three types of blood vessels. We have the arteries, the veins, and the capillaries. The arteries, the blood vessels that carries the blood away from the heart. All arteries have very thick walls so that it can withstand the blood pressure. The smallest arteries, called arterioles, further branch out into tiny capillaries. In these tiny capillaries, nutrients and waste are exchanged. After the exchange, these tiny capillaries combine with other blood vessels that exit the capillaries to form the venules. These venules are small blood vessels that carries the blood to the vein. The veins are the blood vessels that returns the blood to the heart. Tandaan lang natin na itong si respiratory at circulatory system ay laging coordinated yung functions nila. Bakit? Kasi po, ito pong blood na pinapump ni heart to the different parts of the body ay nagdadala ng oxygen na nakuha through the respiration process. And the same thing, kung paano bumabalik yung dugo, papunta balik sa heart, may daladala na rin itong carbon dioxide, which is again a product of the respiration process. That's all for today. Bye! Shout out to all my students in grade 8 who are now grade 9. Adya, kaya-kaya nyo yan. Kayo pa. Bye-bye! Follow for more!